close to your heartache. If you wanna open your door, I'm feeling kinda lost when your mind is hiding whatever that is choking your chest. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking 'cause you're holding it back.
Namaste and welcome to Simply Kaushiki. Today Ishi and I woke up early and got ready for a fun day out. You know those days when you have a long to-do list but only few hours in hand? That's me today, and I'm determined to clean few things before heading out. So let's get started. I have noticed those faux plants in my kitchen. They need some TLC for sure. Does this happen to you too? You think everything is clean and suddenly you spot a very dusty corner? Well, let's tackle this at least together. Cleaning a faux plant with just a bit of soapy water that is left from cleaning the clothes that I washed previously. This gentle wash just gives a new life to these plants, and it's almost like a mini spa for them. A quick question, do you prefer real or a faux plant in your home? Let me know in the comments because I have mix of both. After rinsing it with soapy water, just wash it with plain water and that's it, it's done. It's sunny today, so I will leave it for it to sun dry. After that quick cleaning session, we were off to Phoenix Mall. We planned to visit Mr. DIY and I have seen it so many times on Instagram. But you know what, how it goes? The store leads to another and we end up going to Daiso. And it's so hard to resist all those cute stationery.
Three, two, one.
After so much of shopping made us so hungry, we stopped at Cafe Delhi Heights for lunch. Ishi got her favorite fish and chips, and I wanted something spicy and got myself a Singaporean chili cottage rice. The blend of the spices I found was absolutely perfect. It was like a warm hug on the plate. The fun continued throughout the day, going from one shop to another, and more milkshakes and coffee treats throughout the day. We were absolutely drained when we came back home. After a fun day, we returned home, but you know the feeling when something has been bothering you for days? I spotted few cobwebs behind some boxes in laundry area, and it was time to tackle them with my trusty duster. but the shelves here are slightly rough because it is a DIY we did while back. The dust sticks to them like a glue, so I had to use a dry towel for this time for a better result.
You don't even have to ask to be the cat in the sun. Someday I will see the whole deal through. Today I've got better things to do. Okay, to leave a little bit undone and be the cat in the sun. Be the cat in the sun.
I have a full video how I transformed this area using thrifted items and DIY items. So I will leave a link in the description box and in the I button for you. I use these poly bags to cover the open bins to protect everything from dust.
Don't wanna sleep tonight at all. Just wanna watch them stars fall. But you don't wanna try to make up dreams just to be seen. I wanna lay here beside you, all quiet. Fire breath and open sky. It's not what we know, it's where we go. I grow wings and tell world goodbye. Oh, it's not what we see, it's what we choose to be.
I have been decluttering off camera and now I have lots of extra organizers. Time to reorganize this space, moving few items from the DIY organizer into this new empty organizer. As I mentioned earlier, I felt that this area was way too dark, so I added these rechargeable LED lights. They are renter friendly and super easy to install. And now this space looks bright and welcoming. That's a wrap for today, and I hope you enjoyed this video and it inspired you in some way to tackle those little tasks that brings you peace and make your home more organized. Let me know in the comments what part of your home needs a little extra love, And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in my next one. Until next time, bye bye.
Wings are beating, baby.